Hello, everybody. My name is Nigel Davis, and for Activity 13, I was going to do a highlight of the JCampus evaluation plan, which was my activity for Activity 12, and this is for Educational Technology 5790. For Section 1, Program Description, I was going to touch briefly on what JCampus is. JCampus is a student information system which will be used for University View Academy, the entire district, this coming school year for 2019-2020. It's pretty popular in other districts surrounding us in the state of Louisiana. You could use it for a grading system, which is what it's primarily used for. You can also use it for a communication system amongst teachers, parents, faculty, and it also stores important student records and data. It's very user friendly and you can access it from a laptop or your personal phone. For the purposes of Section 1, I was going to list the stakeholders and that will be responsible in this evaluation process. Starting with myself, I'll be the data collector. I'll also coordinate with other stakeholders in the process. The administrative team of the school, which they'll handle program support, and they'll also be respondents in the survey. And this deals with the assistant principals and the principal. Also, parents, students, and other teachers and the counseling staff will also be respondents as they'll be expected to participate in the survey as well. So for Section 2, the purpose of this evaluation is just to make sure that the new system can meet most or all of University View Academy's needs. The previous system, which was called Genius, was lacking in several areas such as data upload, retrieval, communication capabilities, as well as grades. So we had an issue where the grades were not always in real time, and that would cause a lot of problems when students and parents were looking for more accurate grading, which sometimes lagged. For Section 3, goals and evaluation questions, as you can see, I have them pretty much listed and just briefly summarized them. For goals, things that the evaluation will be looking to see is if high quality user experience for all stakeholders, continued innovation. By that I mean the ability for the system to improve and update as time goes on, improved communication functions within the system, better support goals such as tech support to make sure everybody is aware of what options they have. So for eval questions, I went along with has the new system enhanced any services? This is based off the previous system. Are new tools and features provided to users? Is there ample communication methods? And what about tech support? So just looking to see if these areas were improved. Section 4, indicators and benchmarks. I didn't want to go into too many of the benchmarks. I just wanted to touch on one important indicator. Also, that the main focus of the evaluation overall is to see the percent of new users who prefer the new system over the previous. As far as methods go, I will use quantitative data to determine stakeholder satisfaction, and I'll do that in the form of a survey. I will also use ANOVA analysis in order to calculate the results of the surveys. As far as the timeline goes with the evaluation process, I'm looking at the actual activities that I'll have to do in order to complete the evaluation, the resources or the roles in which people will play in the evaluation process, the frequency in which these evaluation steps will be evaluated. I'm going with the end of every 6 to 9 weeks, and that represents middle, elementary, and high school. And also the overall timeline will be one school calendar year, or give or take a month. In the last section, which is entitled Budget for the Evaluation Plan for JCampus, I just looked at the personnel cost and direct costs. With personnel cost, that were evaluators and stakeholders. And when I looked at direct cost, I touched on things such as software and basic office utilities. So that's pretty much it as far as a quick highlight of what I covered for the evaluation process. I'd like to thank you for your time and have a good day.